Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. I do videos 3 times a week on a Tuesday, Thursday and a Saturday. Today is a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a review on the Alya Skin bundle. This was so kindly gifted to me and I am so grateful. So thank you so much to Alya Skin. They are such an amazing brand and I love all the things that they stand for. All their products are cruelty free, vegan and natural. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I got, how it all works. I'm just going to test some of it out. So if you guys want to see the Alya Skin bundle and how it all works, make sure to stick around. So I do currently have makeup on, but that was just because I was filming a video on my channel and I was recreating a makeup look. But I'm just going to show you guys the box first and everything that comes in it before I try it all out. So this is the box that arrived, which is so cute. This is basically what everything looks like. Their packaging is so nice. The actual packaging of the products was really good, so they're all protected when they're in delivery. The products actually took less than 24 hours to arrive to my house, which was incredible. So I'll just tell you guys what is actually included in this package. There is this Australian Native Berries Moisturizer. This smells insane. This smells so good. They all kind of have a very similar smell, and they smell kind of like really subtle but really nice. It's kind of like roses. And then there's this pomegranate exfoliating facial scrub. This is absolutely perfect for me because I recently ran out of my facial scrub, so I really needed a new one. And again, this smells really nice. I absolutely love the packaging on them because they've all got kind of the same vibe and they're just so pretty. Got a nice pink packaging and they've got a really nice aesthetic to them. It gives you all the information on the back with directions of how to use them and then all the ingredients in them too. So the next one is this micellar water. If you guys have seen my channel before, you'll know I love micellar water. I literally live by it. This is the foaming micellar cleanser. So this is infused with watermelon seed and essential rose oil. And it says thoroughly cleanses and leaves the skin feeling rejuvenated and hydrated every day. So this is something that I really need at the moment because my skin has been so dry. I have actually been testing these products out for the last week. It's been unreal. So this is so good for my skin. So the next one I've got is this vitamin C supercharged serum. I've been using this night and day like it says, and this is so good. It smells really nice and the texture is actually really nice in it too. The next one I've got is this super nice towel here, and this is to use with the actual cleanser as well. And then the final item I received is this one here. This is their Pink Perfect Detoxifying and Brightening Clay Mask. So I was so spoiled by this company. They sent me so many things. But let's get straight on with this video and let's show you guys how it all works. So I have got my hair tied back so it's out of the way, so we can just get on with this. So I'm going to start off and I'm actually going to cleanse my face using this one here. And I don't want to use a towel yet because I've actually still got makeup on. I don't want to get the makeup on the towel. So it says to pump it into your hands and then massage gently into your face. I love this one so much. I've never actually had a pumping foam cleanser before, but honestly, after using this one, I don't think I could ever go back. It smells so good. And it's just so gentle on my skin. If you've seen my channel before and any of my skincare videos before, you'll know how sensitive my skin is. And that was a real test with these products, was how good they actually are on my sensitive skin. I find it so hard to find many products that actually work with my skin because it can be so sensitive. So I never really use makeup remover wipes anymore. I always go for cleansers instead because I think cleansers really do the job instead. So after you've done that, it says to rinse this all away. So I'm going to go into the bathroom, rinse this off, and I'll be back with you guys. So now that I've got all of my makeup off, so I'm going to use the same micellar and I'm just applied some of this to a cotton pad and I'm just taking my eye makeup off now. And honestly, when I first got this, I didn't think, with it being a foam and you rub it onto your face, I didn't think it'd actually be able to take your makeup off. But it takes my makeup off so much faster than my normal micellar would. And it's so gentle to your skin. I feel like sometimes when I use normal micellar, it's good on your skin and it's really nice and gentle skin, but my skin does end up still feeling quite sore, and it also goes like really red normally, and my skin actually reacts so well to these products. So I'm just going to once more over my face with this cleansing pad, So I'm going to rinse this one off and then we'll get to step 2. The next one that I'm going to use is this exfoliating facial scrub. So this one smells so good and it's got such like a nice consistency to it as well. You can't really see it well on camera, but it's actually got kind of like a little pink tinge to it, which I think is so cute. So it says you need to apply to dampen the skin, but I've already just rinsed my face off and I didn't dry it properly for this. And you've got to apply it to your face and rub in circular motions. I just can't get over how good these smell, and they do feel really good too. One of my problems with facial scrubs normally is that they leave my skin feeling so sore and like so red and so sore, and it's never any good for my skin. But this one has never ever made my skin feel sore at all, and it leaves it looking kind of like glowy and really well exfoliated. This is really good for before I tan as well, because when I'm about to tan I like to exfoliate my face, but it makes my tan look so much better if I actually exfoliate first. So you're supposed to do that, and then once you've actually applied this, you then need to go and rinse it off using warm water. So my skin is feeling so much softer already, but I'm going to go in with this face mask now. This I love. If you guys know me, you'll know I love a good face mask, and these are my favourite types of face masks. The pink clay ones are so nice. I always prefer the ones that are in the jars because they're so much better for the environment if you've got one that you can reuse rather than use it once and throw away the package. This has the same smell as the others, the really nice kind of a gentle subtle rose smell. But it's actually got really good kind of, it sounds stupid saying coverage for a face mask, but I find some face masks you need to use so much product to actually get them to kind of stick to your face. Got a really smooth feel to it. If you guys have got any face masks you'd like me to try out in a video, let me know, because I just love face masks. They're just one of my favourite things to use. So I'm trying to apply an even amount of this. I try to make sure I apply it as fast as I can because I don't want it to end up starting to dry. But this one's not too bad for that. So I do sometimes find with face masks that like a couple of minutes after I've applied it, that it starts to like burn my face and sting on my face. But with this one, it's never done that, which is a really good sign. So if you do have sensitive skin, then it's honestly such a good brand for it, because my skin is so sensitive. This one, I've never had any issues with it. So you're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back with you guys. The face mask is now all dry and it feels so cool. Like, I just love when you've got a dry face mask on your face and it feels so weird. But it's now all dry and finished. So, and I need to go and wash this off. So you're supposed to wash this off with warm water and be really gentle with it. So I'm going to go and do that and then I'll be back with you guys. So I've just taken the face mask off. It makes my face just look so much brighter and just healthier. It just feels so nice. It's really closed my pores up as well. I'm just going to move on to the moisturizer now. The moisturizer is honestly so good. It's my new favourite moisturizer. It's supposed to hydrate and replenish your skin, which is what I need at the moment because my skin's been so dry. And it does such a good job. So I apply quite a generous amount, but I always do this with moisturizers. And this is just because my skin drinks up moisturizer so fast. So I'm just applying this all over my face at the moment. It's so soft and it's so gentle on your skin as well. And it's just like all the other products, it's got the same fragrance, the really delicate rose. I want to make sure I don't miss any patches because it just smells and feels amazing. I've actually been getting like dry skin on my face. With it being winter as well, it's really made it worse. This moisturizer has actually helped so much. So I've actually been using this moisturizer for about a week now and it has left my skin feeling so hydrated and so soft. So I'm just letting this soak into my skin now before I move on to the final step. So for best results, it is recommended you use all of these products in a routine, but you don't have to. So the final one here is the serum. The serum has to be my favourite out of the whole collection. It comes in this really cute little bottle here, and I use about 1.5 pumps of this onto my hand. So I'm just going to use 1.5 pumps. There you go. Maybe 1 1/3, it's not even that. And I apply a little bit to each part of my face. A little bit goes a long way with this serum. You're supposed to use this on a morning and on a night every day. This is so good. It makes my skin look and feel amazing for the day. It is honestly so good. Like my mum uses this every day as well because I let her borrow it once, and she's literally been using this every single day like me, because it's just so good. It's a vitamin C serum, so it's really good for your skin. So I've just applied that, and my skin is kind of feeling a little bit sticky at the moment because it's not fully settled in yet, so I'm gonna let that sink in. So guys, that is it. That is the whole skincare bundle. Tested out, tried out, and you guys seen me use it. It is so good. I'm obsessed with it. These products are my new favorite products. I use them every day without fail, and I actually am really looking forward to my skincare routine just because I love using these products. So guys, if you do want to check them out, I'll leave my link down below for you guys. But thank you so much for watching today's video. That is pretty much it for me for today, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.